Alright, 13.5, I did skip point 4 because it was disability insurance, but I wanted to do workers' compensation instead. So, workers' compensation insurance covers employees' medical expenses and lost wages if they are hurt on the job. That's where a lot of people say workers' comp. I know I said that a lot. Because working as a server has its downfalls. When you work at a Mexican restaurant and you're surrounded by fajitas, actually almost had somebody drop a boiling, flaming hot, sizzling hot fajita skillet on my back. People get burnt all the time back there. I know a cook slipped while on the jobs. He slipped on the floor, and because I guess they had been cleaning or something, I'm not sure. There was some water, or I don't know. I just know he slipped on the floor and he hit his face on the side of the fryer, and so he got cut. He went to the hospital. He had to get stitches. Well, he got hurt on the job, so your job is supposed to pay for it. So the premiums for workers' compensation insurance are paid to the state by the employer, not the employee. The premiums vary by state but are based on the total payroll of a company, normally in blocks of $100 and the type of business. So the state classifies every business according to the frequency and severity of accidents. Roofers, loggers, and coal miners who have a high exposure to injuries will have a higher premium than office personnel or retail clerks who have a low exposure to injuries. In most states, the premium for workers' compensation insurance is computed by multiplying a base rate by the total payroll. So your premium for workers' compensation insurance is just that base rate times the total payroll. Remember, these aren't things that you have to pay. These are things that your employer has to pay. So if you are the employer, then this is more for you. Alright, so the base rate for workers' compensation insurance for underground coal mining in one state is $19.89 per 100 paid to employees. The total monthly payroll for a small underground mine is $176,800. What is the monthly premium for workers' compensation insurance? Remember, it's just base rate times total payroll. So in this case, because of the fact that it's per 100 paid to employees, the total payroll is going to be a little bit something. So the base rate is just that $19.89. And then the total payroll, it's $176,800 per $100. This is actually going to give you a total of $35,165.22. So this would be the monthly premium for workers' compensation insurance that the employer would be required to pay. And bam, all done.